This is a practical operation video of a remote trenching machine. We can see that the grooves where it passes are very smooth and complete. It is very safe for operator, especially used in the limited and dangerous area. The remote controller controls start, stop, forward, backward, steering, vibrating, and monitor the temperature of oil, water, etc. Its engine is the famous Honda or Yanmar engine. Operating with this machine can greatly reduce labor costs and save time. It is suitable for any terrain, smooth, and complete trenching. We have trading partners worldwide. Look forward to hearing from you.